I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Vine O. Vine O is a quarterly wine subscription box that is full of lots of extra wonderful pampering goodies. So this is the Oh Happy Day box. When you sign up, first of all, don't forget to look in the description box for a discount code, because I think right now the promo that they're doing is an additional bottle of wine for life. Normally you get 2, you could get 3 bottles, which is awesome. So when you do sign up, you can either say, I only want reds, I want only whites, or I want a red and a white, or sweet wines, which I think is awesome. These make amazing gifts for yourself or your loved ones. Okay, so this is the box of goodies. We'll look at that in just a second. Let's look at the wines. Okay, we have a Night Vine California Chardonnay and a Speechless California Merlot. So let's just set those aside. Very excited to have those. I do love their wines. Their wines are easy drinking, crowd pleasing, super yummy wines. I like having them on hand for when, I actually see people. It's been a while. Or if I just, want to drink, because they feel like they go with everything, and if you're in the mood for a white or a red, they've got you covered. Okay. Ooh, all right, so the first thing I see in here is a Pro Detangler from the Wet Brush. I love the Wet Brush brushes. I have so many of these, and I use them on my daughter. They're the best freaking brushes ever. They're just so good for detangling your hair even when it's wet or dry, and they just, I don't know, they're just really good brushes. I don't know what makes them so magical, but they really are. And they have a bunch of different ones. They have ones for specifically drying your hair with, because if you try to dry your hair with this, you will melt the bristles. I speak from experience here. And then they have just like the regular one. This one is the Pro, which is a bit heftier, which is nice if you have really thick hair. And then they have lots of pretty designs. So this one is purple with some flowers, very spring appropriate, very pretty. I like it. And it's like a rubberized handle. Love that. Ooh, and I see some earrings from Zaxie. I feel like I got something else, another jewelry bit from Zaxie. I'll have to look back at my videos. These are really pretty. They're just like diamond studs. I mean, I'm sure they're not diamonds. They're probably cubic zirconium or something, but they're really, really pretty. And then you always get these cards that go with them so that you can learn more about the products, as well as a lot of times they have a special offer at the bottom. So if you find something you love, you might be able to get a discount if you repurchase or whatever. Yes, brass metal finish with a grade A cubic zirconia stone. I love this kind of simple, classic look. Oh, cuticle oil. Cuccio Natural Luxury Spa Cuticle Revitalizing Oil, Milk and Honey. This looks like fancy. Oh, how nice. The bottle has like a flat spot so you can lay it, so that it kind of sits on its side like that. That's kind of fun. I wonder if it smells like milk and honey. Let's give it a whiff, shall we? Oh, that smells really good. It does smell like milk and honey. I'm gonna put some of this on I have been working in the backyard doing lots of construction projects, digging ditches. My nails are a mess. This is like perfect timing. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, I'm so happy to have this. All right. But see what I mean by the pampering kind of stuff? Okay, what is this? This looks like some sort of a mini water bottle. Asobu Lady Flask. Vacuum insulation. Stainless steel. Okay, is this a screw top? Okay, yeah, it's just a screw top, but it's pretty little. How big is this? 7.8 ounces or 230 milliliters. Yeah, I mean, this isn't like water bottle size, but this would fit in my purse, or like, it's just like a lightweight little thing that you could fill with wine, perhaps. This is nice, and it has a screw top, so it's not gonna like accidentally flip open in your bag. This is cute. I like this. Lady Flask. That's funny. Okay, and then the last item is a snack. Legally Addictive, the OG cookies made from crackers plus toffee plus chocolate plus sea salt. What? All right, I'm gonna try one of these because this sounds weird and interesting and also really good. I like crackers, I like chocolate and toffee and sea salt and all those things. Yeah, it looks almost like a caramelized cracker. Yeah, it's sweet. I don't know why I just licked it. That was a weird thing to do, lick a cracker. Sometimes I'm weird. All right. Mmm. Yep. Okay. It's definitely got that caramelized taste to it, but it's very lightweight. It's not like a cookie. It's not even like a graham cracker. It's like a saltine that is, you know, caramelized, you know, where it's got that cooked sugar on it and a very thin layer of chocolate. It's a little bit salty, but not overly so. It's actually really delicious and lightweight too. Servings per container, 1.33. Really? That's how you're gonna play this? 150 calories per serving. These are really good. Yeah, I could totally see myself just sitting here eating these all day because they're very lightweight, you know, not overly chocolatey. And I think that might be dark chocolate. So it's not, you know, I don't know. That's weird and good. I dig it. Oh, hey, fun, awesome, lovely pampering goodies and a delicious treat that's sweet and salty. Awesome sauce. Well, this is another wonderful box from Vine O. I love Vine O boxes. They're always so fun and unique. You know, you get crazy things in there that are a lot of fun. And of course, wine. And who doesn't love wine, right? So, all right, all of the information will be in the description box. Make sure you check that out, especially for my discount code. And I will leave all of the information for all of the little goodies in there. If you were like, what, I have to have those weird cracker chocolate things? I will leave that info in the description box for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.